So, hello everyone. How do you use X-Radar in 2025? So, to start off, I have already signed in my account on X or twitter.com. Now, we just need to hover over to the premium and you can see it directly here on the list. Now, click on premium and you will be redirected here where you would be given a choice on the membership that you would need. Now, if you need Radar, you need to go to Premium Plus, which the price varies on different locations. So with the Radar, you'll be able to experience real-time trends like never before. So just need to pay for it and you'll get the Radar. That sums it up. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.